You're too scared?
Oops.
Oh, no, Shadow, no.
Shadow just ate it. Oh, get the dog, Shadow ate the cicada.
All right.
She's doing it.
Watch, she'll bark at it. Watch.
This is a real life cicada.
I want to see you grab onto her nose.
Yeah, this is cool.
Don't get too close.
Yeah, this is good.
Oh no. Ooh, what happened?
They're just retarded.
They should start chirping. I
Here,
don't know.
Jamie, eat it.
Here, Nathan, get her on video. I don't care.
Ready? Jamie? No.
Wait. I want to see him grab onto her nose. No, you can't.
No.
You broke his wings, Shadow. Shadow, here. Look, she's got her wings, the wings stuck on her nose.
Here, take it. Hurry. Ready? Jamie will eat a real cicada. Ready? Go.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, little guy. I'm sorry, but this is the end of the road for you. I'm gonna crunch. Here, back here. There we go. I can do it.
She ate it.
I hope you're happy now.
They say they're good.
Yeah, actually they are. They taste like
How do you stop it? Son.